Imagine looking up at the night sky, and instead of a tiny distant dot, Pluto looms large, dominating the darkness above. Its icy surface glistening, its massive gravity pulling at Earth in ways we've only seen in science fiction. What if this frozen world, billions of kilometers away, suddenly decided to move closer to us? Could it crash our orbit, send oceans surging, or freeze our planet overnight? Hold on tight, because today we're diving into a cosmic scenario so wild, it's hard to believe. Pluto up close, right in our backyard. Pluto has always been a mystery, a distant, icy world on the edge of our solar system, orbiting quietly billions of kilometers away. Its tiny size, frigid temperatures, and eccentric orbit have made it fascinating but remote. But what if distance suddenly didn't matter? What if Pluto moved closer to Earth? First, consider scale. Pluto is only about 2/3 the width of our moon. From billions of kilometers away, it seems almost invisible, but if it came near, it would appear massive in our sky, a glowing, icy sphere stretching across horizons bigger than anything we've ever seen. People would stop in their tracks, staring at a planet that suddenly feels almost within reach. Now think about gravity. Pluto's gravity is far weaker than Earth's, only about 1/6 of our moon's pull. But moving it closer could have profound effects. Imagine its icy mass tugging at our oceans and atmosphere. Tides would go wild, unimaginable floods and strange tidal patterns could hit coasts across the world. Scientists might try to calculate it, but the truth is, chaos would reign. Earthquakes could be triggered, volcanic activity stirred, and the delicate balance we rely on in our orbit could wobble unpredictably. Temperature changes would add another layer of strangeness. Pluto's surface is a frozen desert of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide ice. If it were closer, its frozen gases might interact with our atmosphere in unpredictable ways. Could it bring a sudden chill across parts of the globe? Could nitrogen ice clouds drift down and glitter across our cities? The idea is thrilling and terrifying at the same time, a planet-sized ice cube almost within arm's reach. We can't forget Pluto's moons. Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx would accompany it, creating a bizarre multi-satellite show in our night sky. The gravitational dance between them could produce dazzling patterns, but also new, unpredictable stresses on Earth's orbit. Could these moons collide with satellites or debris near our planet? Suddenly, space wouldn't feel as safe as it once did. Visualize the spectacle: a massive icy orb dominating the night, its moons swirling around it, shimmering in sunlight and moonlight. Cities would be bathed in reflected blue light. Nighttime skies could become brighter than day in some regions, as Pluto's reflective surface bounces sunlight down. Astronomy enthusiasts would rejoice, but for everyday life the rules would change. Nights and tides, weather patterns, and even animal behaviors could shift dramatically. And what about human imagination? Suddenly traveling to Pluto wouldn't be pure science fiction. Space agencies might plan missions to this newly close world, yet reaching it would still be perilous. Its frozen, low-gravity surface could be unstable, terrain hazardous, and conditions harsh. Even as we marvel at its beauty, survival would remain a challenge. Finally, consider the aftermath. Pluto would eventually continue its orbit, or collide, or settle into a strange new trajectory. Earth would survive, but changed. New tidal patterns, new gravitational quirks, new skies to explore. Humanity would look up, forever remembering the moment when a distant planet came close enough to transform everything we knew about our world. The lesson is clear. Even tiny celestial bodies, seemingly insignificant and far away, have the potential to reshape life on Earth if they ever decide to come closer. Pluto, in its slow, icy orbit, might never threaten us, but imagining it so close, so real, makes the vastness of space feel intimate, thrilling, and terrifying all at once. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember Pluto orbits silently, a frozen planet billions of kilometers away. But in the universe of what if, even the smallest distant world can become a dramatic, unforgettable presence.